Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from Ordinary School for the role of data science guys, and this is bootcamp and duration for this bootcamp is only 6 months. This 6 months guys they will teach you and after that placed you, and many of you are knowing that the demand of data science increasing day by day and there are multiples of job openings in the career platform. So in this video guys I will recommend you one best platform to learn this skill along with placement assistant guys. Okay, so let's start in detail. So as you can see right now on the screen, Ordinary School data science courses, and in Google guys 4.6 rating is there out of 5, so you can check out. And some here important highlight they have mentioned like join, learn, get highest live bootcamp with placement assistant, live instructed lead bootcamps and job regardless in 6 months. So duration for this bootcamp is only 6 months guys. In this 6 months they will teach you, train you, and after that place you, and project based learning is there and unlimited job opportunity also available. Okay, so required qualification for this opportunity guys, any graduate can apply for this opportunity. If you are passionate about learning a skill and want to start your career in the field of IT company, then you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, and batches guys, fresher and experienced both batches can apply for this opportunity. Means below 2023 all batches can apply for this opportunity. 2019, 2020, 2021, 22, 23, these all batches can apply for this opportunity, and there is no any other criteria like branch and percentage criteria. So if you're from any branches you can apply for this opportunity, and if you have less than 60% then you can also apply for this opportunity guys. Okay, so these are the required qualifications for this opportunity. And important date for this opportunity guys, upcoming cohort is starting from 13th of December next month, so you have time, apply as soon as possible for this opportunity. And bootcamp fee will be only 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and for first 100 seat registration 10,000 is also off. Okay, so fee structure guys we will discuss in detail later, but right now let me tell you about the courses module, what are the skills you're gonna learn in this 6 months. So you can see right now on the screen, courses module are divided in two part guys, core modules and elective modules. So in elective guys you're gonna cover Power BI and PySpark. In core modules guys you're gonna cover topics like SQL, Python, statics, EDA, machine learning, business intelligence, storytelling, Git and GitHub. So these are the skills you're gonna learn in this core and elective modules. And also guys they will offer to you to work in a project, whatever project currently running on industry. So you can see what's a great curriculum without project based learning. So right now 10 plus data science project running on industry. So you can see COVID-19 prediction, credit card approval and health insurance prediction. So this all project currently running on industry. So just click on this one and you can check out. Okay, and in case if you have any doubts and queries, so guys, so live doubt clearing session is also there. So you can see learn data science while you clear your doubt, and also they will guide you how you can present your project and interact with industry veterans and also take puzzles. Okay, so these are the some of the highlights they mentioned about this opportunity guys. And also some additional career services provided to this platform which help you during placements. You can see power ahead in your career with career services like resume building, mock interviews, behavior workshop, online profile building is an industry interaction and unlimited job opportunity. Okay, and many big and good companies are hiring through this platform. So you can see guys right now 500 plus companies are hiring through this platform, and company like Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infosys, Amazon, Flipkart. So these all big companies are hiring through this platform. And right now guys 290 job available for our learners. So here you can see snapshot right now 290 data science job opportunity available to our learner this week, and medium package will be 7 LPA and highest package will be 26, and top job roles offered through this platform guys. So you can data analyst, data engineers, data scientists, machine learnings, Power BI developers. So these all 5 top job offered through this platform guys, and also students are getting placed to this platform. So before applying don't forget to check success story, because in case if you have any doubts and you can directly contact with them because their LinkedIn profile URL is there. So just click on this one and after that you will redirect to LinkedIn page and you can directly contact with them. Okay, and also guys mentors are currently working in industry, so they have better skills and knowledge. They will teach you and guide you in better way. So you can see meet our mentors and a speaker, and you can see Mohit Sivak, he is working as a principal applied AI research and he's working at Microsoft, and Saurav Rao, he is working as a data scientist at IBM. So mentors are already working guys, they have better knowledge and skill, they will guide you in better way. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlights except fee structure, so let me tell you about the fee structure guys. You can see get started now and your final fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and also 10,000 off of first 100 seat registration. Means guys your final fee will be around 60,000, and also no cost EMI option is there for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 12 months, and per month guys 5,500 only, and next cohort is starting from 13th of September next month. So you have time guys, you can apply as soon as possible for this opportunity. And not everyone gonna shortlist for this opportunity guys, but you can try for this opportunity. And also this platform is trusted by many students because this platform offer you fully refund policy within 10 days. So you can see here one important highlight they have mentioned: if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within the first 10 days from the start date, your fee will be fully refunded. Okay, and see reservation charges only 5,000 plus GST. So you can check out guys. Okay, and qualification, let me tell you again guys, any graduate can apply for this opportunity, and any batch fresher experience both can apply for this opportunity. So this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. And also before applying, don't forget to check FAQ section, because here some general question answer are already done. So you can see how long is the data science courses. So you can see 500 hours of learning across 6 months. So here some general questions answer are already done. So before applying, don't forget to check all the thing, and after simply apply for this opportunity. So how you can apply for this opportunity guys? You can see right side one form is there. So just fill your first name, last name, email ID, your contact number, and year of graduation. Like if you're from 2023 batches, just select this one, and work experience level. So if you're fresher, then none, and after that request a call back, and after they will contact you. Okay, so this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in the description. So check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you're rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.